Well, welcome to another Simply Diagnostics video down here in bright and sunny Cheshire, and it is bright and it is sunny at the SimplyDiag Community Hub. We've got a 2018 BMW 520D. We're currently programming a used instrument cluster in this had the fault of the instrument cluster was going off intermittently. So it's had a used instrument cluster fitted, and we're currently using remote services from our awesome partners Core Diagnostics to program it in. You can see here we've got the interface plugged in, we've got an active session going on, the dash is on and all lit up, and Brandon at Core is currently going through it and programming that in for us. Obviously any module replacement has its inherent risk, the same as any software update on your mobile phone, your computer at home, same sort of thing. So there are terms and conditions, but we can do most of these things. It's on battery support. We've got it on the GYS battery support unit to maintain the voltage, so we always use protection. And yeah, so here we go. It's really hot today. I've got me light grey ALLDATA shirt on with the network logo on the back, and my heat resistant Ben badge, and more importantly I've got my safety flip-flops on. Yeah, so there we go. There you go, bonus feet pick for whoever wants them. Hope you have an awesome day. Hope you had a brilliant bank holiday. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.